Transform your health with intermittent fasting. Welcome to our video on intermittent fasting. Today, we'll explore why this eating pattern could be a game changer for your health. Stay tuned to discover its remarkable benefits. Intermittent fasting isn't just a trend. It's backed by science. By limiting your eating window, you can boost your overall health. Let's dive into the amazing benefits. First up, weight loss. Intermittent fasting helps your body tap into fat stores for energy. This natural calorie deficit can make shedding those extra pounds simpler and more effective. Improved metabolism is another key benefit. By giving your digestive system a break, intermittent fasting can enhance metabolic health and increase your body's efficiency in processing nutrients. Intermittent fasting also promotes cellular repair. During fasting, your cells initiate important repair processes, including autophagy. This helps remove damaged cells and regenerate new ones, keeping your body in optimal condition. Did you know it can enhance brain function? Fasting stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports neuron growth and mental clarity, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Another major advantage is its effect on blood sugar levels. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Heart health benefits are also notable. Fasting may help reduce bad cholesterol, blood pressure, and inflammation, all of which contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system and lower risk of heart disease. Inflammation reduction is crucial. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases. Intermittent fasting can lower markers of inflammation, promoting overall wellness and potentially decreasing the risk of chronic illnesses. Fasting also positively impacts hormone levels. It can balance hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which regulate hunger and satiety, making it easier to maintain a healthy eating pattern without constant cravings. Additionally, intermittent fasting can increase lifespan. Studies in animals suggest that fasting can extend lifespan by improving health markers and reducing the likelihood of age-related diseases. It's sustainable and flexible. Whether you prefer the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or another variation, it can fit into diverse lifestyles. Before starting, consult with a healthcare provider. It's important to ensure that intermittent fasting is a safe and suitable option for your individual health needs and goals. That's a wrap on the benefits of intermittent fasting. From weight loss to improved brain function, the advantages are compelling. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.